This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 150,298 BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep's 9, DVD player, microwave, smoke detector, oven, refrigerator, slide-out, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 150,298 BH is 9,050 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.